Welcome back to Bijou Skin YouTube. This is Sarah, your licensed esthetician, and today we're doing an up close and personal look at dermaplaning. Dermaplaning removes dead skin and removes peach fuzz. So it is amazing at exfoliating the skin and giving a bright and vibrant look. So no, dermaplaning is not the same as shaving. It uses a scalpel instead of a razor. So it gives a closer, I would say shave, but it actually pulls up dead skin to remove it. And the Vellus hair removal is just kind of an extra bonus to the exfoliation method. I get a lot of questions asking if the hair grows back thicker or if it grows back darker, but that is a myth. There's no such thing as shaving or anything like that making the hair grow back thicker. It does not. It comes back the same way it grew before you got the procedure done, and absolutely love it. So another question is, how do you know if you're a candidate? It's a great exfoliating methods for anybody basically, but if you have inflamed skin, if you have a lot of acne, if you have very sensitive skin, or if you have really coarse hair where it would turn into ingrowns or kind of irritation, then this is something I would stay away from. If you want the benefits of rejuvenated glowy skin, I would say get it. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon.